Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm in the kitchen, and today I am making banana bread cinnamon rolls. I hope you guys didn't think I was done with the sweet rolls, because I'm not. There are too many ideas. Banana bread cinnamon rolls are on the docket for today. Of course, as always, I have my tengjong, which is 56 grams of bread flour mixed with 112 grams of milk, whole milk. Going straight into my mixture here. I'm gonna scrape it off my finger. Oh, guys, let me know in the comment section down below if you would be interested in seeing me talk about all of my favorite kitchen gadgets, the things that I use all the time. Kitchen gadgets. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing that. Okay, so for our main dough, because this is just the tengjong, we are going to add. Oh, I almost forgot my yeast, y'all. Hold on. Okay, going in with my 7 grams of yeast here. I almost forgot that. 7 grams of yeast. I know my yeast is not old, it's fresh yeast, so I'm not gonna bother with doing the testing. We have a website, aaroninthekitchen.com, and ironically enough, I am using my own website to get the recipe. You know, I got too many things going on in my head, so I got to have a nice resource to look at. All right, so milk. I'm going in with 200 and not 200. Yeah, I'm going in with 240 grams of milk for my yeast. $240. All right. Oh, I need sugar. But before I grab the sugar, I'm gonna go ahead and add my 6 grams of salt in. Okay, 100 grams of sugar going in. Okay, I have noticed that in the summertime, my baked goods are needing a lot more flour. So normally I would add 504 grams of flour. I'm just gonna add 560 grams today. And this is bread flour, by the way, that I'm using. All right, and that is all for our dough mixture. Oh, 250 grams of butter going in. All right. I'm only gonna do half for now, and then when I start mixing in the machine, then I will do the remainder of that butter. Okay, so while that dough is coming together, well, first of all, I forgot to add 2 eggs, so I'm gonna add that really quick. While that dough is coming together, I'm gonna go ahead and mash up 2 bananas.
If you recognize this
Potato ricer, you have been with me since the very beginning, so thank you for watching. These 2 mashed up bananas are gonna go in my mixture as well. And my mixture needs more mixture, and my mixture needs more flour, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Just keeping an eye on that. So this last banana, we're gonna mash this up because this is gonna be a part of what's going on the inside, our cinnamon roll part. Okay, so back over here. To our banana, I'm going to add the rest of my butter here. So probably about 50 grams to that mixed in. Okay, so to our butter banana mixture, I'm going to add 200 grams of brown sugar. All right, and the last thing going in here is 16 grams of cinnamon. You know what? Might just be better if I take the lid off. This is my first recipe to kick off the start of baking season, and I am super duper excited for this. First of all, I'm excited for the hot weather to go away because I do not like hot weather. And I'm excited to start baking. And this is our beautiful cinnamon banana mixture. And we can just set this to the side. I'm gonna make sure I get out any lumps of brown sugar, but we're gonna set this to the side after that. And we're gonna let our dough rest for 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, I'm impatient. It's been 47 minutes that I've let the dough rise. So I'm gonna start getting to it. I have poured down neutral cooking oil onto my thing. This is one of the things that will make or break your cinnamon rolls, in my opinion, using oil instead of flour. Your flour is gonna dry out your dough even more. So when you're rolling them out, I always use oil. I never use flour to roll out a cinnamon roll. Maybe the exception would be if I was making a cinnamon roll cake, hint hint, coming soon. But for the dough, get some oil on my hand. Oh shoot, I usually use my bench scraper to get this. I'm gonna use this one. I don't know where my round one is. Okay, so just gonna manage this dough a little bit here. I also have our dinner going. Well. One of the cameras was recording, thank God. Anyway, so I'm just gonna work this dough just a little bit here and I'm gonna roll it out. I have our dinner going in the background, so I'm giving myself enough time to roll these and put them in the thing and then eat, and then they should be done by the time our dinner is ready to come out. Is this shape nice? No. Is there still gas in my dough? Yes. Is there still gas in my dough? Yes. But I'm rushing, y'all. I just need to get it out. Okay, my dough doesn't want to roll because there's so much gas. What you do in a case like this, if your dough does not want to roll out because there's so much gas, what you do is wait about 10 minutes, let your dough rest, let it calm down. But the way I'm rushing, nah. I'm just gonna work with it. Or not, because my dough is tight. All right. I'm pressing down really firmly to make my dough do what I want it to do and to get rid of the gas. Slowly pressing, making it do what I want it to do. For those of you home cooks out there, you definitely understand the struggle of trying to be patient and get your thing right, but also being on a time frame and having to do what you got to do. So I have a minute before I have to switch and put my baked chicken into the oven. All right, cool. I'm rolled out enough here that I can put on my mixture and be good. So this is our banana cinnamon mixture here. Just gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm gonna use one of my small spatulas to get this on. It smells absolutely amazing. It smells like the fall. And I'm hoping if you guys are starting your fall baking already with this recipe, that this will be one of the first things that you make and you will enjoy it. You will enjoy it, you will enjoy it, you will enjoy it. And we just want to spread this out. You do have some bits of banana in there, which is going to be delish. Yes, I do know that my oven beeped in the background. I'm aware. All right. So I'll let this sit here for a second. Now that's not a part of this recipe, but if you want to know what that is in the oven, go and check out our first live, because that is what is in the oven. As always, I'm using my pizza cutter. If you ever wonder what I do with these end pieces, I eat them and they're always good. They're always good. They don't have as much filling in them, but they're just as good. Just as pillowy soft. I'm gonna try to get all of my cinnamon rolls in this one dish. If I need to pull out a second, I need to pull out a second, but I'm gonna try to get it all in one. Yeah, I think they're all gonna fit on one. All right. Last one, and this booty piece is gonna go in the center with our other booty piece. But I'm gonna use our tiny spatula to get up some of this good juice, this good sauce. And I'm gonna put the rest of it on the other one. Okay, so after my dinner is done cooking in there, I'm gonna pop this in the oven. You can go ahead and preset your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And don't forget, I'm about to wash my hands, but don't forget to cover your cinnamon rolls with cream or milk. I'm using cream. I have used milk before. I've even used dairy-free milk, so that all works. And you know what? I have my milk opened and I'm at the end of it, so I'm gonna use this milk. Don't be afraid to drown them. I drown mine. All right, I will see you guys back for the taste test. Ciao for now. Oh, well, you can look at this, what it looks like. Yeah, with the milk. See you for the taste test. Okay, we are all done and here for the taste test. This is probably the first time that you've seen a cinnamon roll of mine without it having the frosting already on it, and that is for a reason. I am going to freeze these and I'll make the frosting when I serve these at a party later on this week. My cinnamon rolls, if you've ever tried them, are super gooey without the frosting. So, and delicious. Oh my God, super fluffy. But for these banana bread cinnamon rolls, that banana flavor really does come through. Those 3 bananas, 2 in the dough, 1 inside of the cinnamon mixture, it really, really comes through. This is a perfect 10. With the frosting, it will be a 20. So I hope you guys try this and enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Try out the recipe. It will be linked below on the website will be linked below where you can find the recipe for this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Ciao.